Hello students, this is the fifth part of our 4.1 History of Novel. So open your books, page number 174. In this second row, from this second paragraph where is written Indian scenario. From here we are going to start today. Now listen carefully. Indian scenario. So what is the meaning of scenario? Look at here. Scenario, it means a written outline of a novel giving details of a plot or individual scenes. So Indian scenario, it means Indian novels which were written. This scenario gives us outline of what is the theme of Indian novels written. These scenario give us little bit detail about the plots used in Indian novels, about the individual scenes used in Indian novels. Now listen. Rajmohan's wife was by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay serialized it means, see the meaning of this word, serialized it means to publish a serial form. Serialized in the Indian field was the first novel in English written by an Indian. So here we are getting information about the first Indian novel which was written in English language, and that novel is Rajmohan's Wife. That was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and he published this novel in serial forms. It means he made serials, different parts of one novel, and published them in different parts. The period after that is marked by, it means make famous, or another meaning is sign or symbol. The period after that is marked by a few more novels written by Indian writers. So after this, there were many other Indian novels who wrote novels, and that period was a very symbolic period. That period was very famous period. That period made Indian novels very famous, which were written in English language. These novels bore it is past tense of bear. So what is the meaning of bear? Bear, it means carry or convey. These novels were either nationalistic, it means related to nation. Nationalistic virtues. Virtues, it means having or showing high moral standard. Another meaning is, in short, good qualities. These novels bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. Framework means it means shape and or support, giving the structure. These novels bore either nationalistic virtues or social issues as their main framework. So Indian novelists who wrote novels in English language, their main framework, main structure, main theme, main subject was based on two things. First is nationalistic, it means related to nation, and about virtues, it means high moral standard, high quality, good qualities in human beings. And other subject is about sociality or social issues. First is nationalistic, second is social issues. On these two topics, Indian novelists wrote novels in English language at the starting of Indian novels which were written in English language. Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao were the major trio. Trio, it means a group of three. Now there is a group of three Indian novelists, Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao were the major trio who prevailed Prevailed, it means to gain mastery, to gain mastery prevailed in the period after that. So, after this period, when the novelist wrote novels on nationalistic virtues, nationalistic high moral standard and social issues, after that there was a group of three writers, very famous writers, Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan and Raja Rao. These three novelists, after that period, got mastery on novel and they wrote novels in a very interesting manner. Readers, people like to read their novels. Novelists like Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal and Arun Joshi and Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their work. So, here we are getting information about few Indian novelists who changed the current happening of that present time. Current, it means there are two meanings. First is flow, second is happening of present time. So these names which were given here, Anita Desai, Nayantara Sehgal, Arun Joshi and Manohar Malgaonkar changed the current of Indian English novel through their work. It means these novelists changed the flow of Indian English novels. They changed happening, whatever happening in Indian English novel at that time. They changed the topic, they changed the style of Indian English novels in their time. Amitav Ghosh, Vikram Seth and Upamanyu Chatterjee ameliorated. Ameliorate, it means, let me first clean this side, then I will give you meaning of this word. Wait for a minute. Ameliorate, it means to make better. So these novelists ameliorate the Indian novels in English by adding new features to it. Features it means a distinctive aspect. A distinctive aspect. Now here is given name of few novelists: Amita Ghosh, Vikram Seth and Upamanyu Chatterjee. These novelists added new features, distinctive style in their novels and they made Indian English novel in a new form. They presented these in a new form in their writing. Recent years have witnessed the dazzling performance. Dazzling, it means, look at here. Dazzling, it means bright. Dazzling performance by Indian novelists like Salman Rushdie, Arvind Adhika, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai and Kiran Nagarkar. Now, in the recent year, it means in a very nearest past, there were few novelists such as Salman Bashir, Arvind Adiga, Arundhati Roy, Kiran Desai, and Kiran Nagarkar. These novelists performed very brightly their writing in their novels. The tradition of an Indian English novel has undergone. Undergone it means to go through. To gone through, or another meaning is experienced. Undergone a vital change. Vital. Vital it means absolutely essential or important. Absolutely essential or absolutely important. Vital change since its birth, and it has undoubtedly it means without any doubt, very bright future. So here we are getting information that the tradition of Indian English novel has undergone a vital change since its birth. So from the birth of Indian English novels, where was the birth happened? Indian English novels, that was happened by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, who wrote first Indian English novel, and that was Ram Mohan's wife. From that moment, from that birth of Indian English novel till today, our Indian English novel has undergone a vital change. It means very essential, very important change there happened in Indian English novels from its birth. And it has undoubtedly very bright future. And there is no doubt that in future, Indian English novel have a bright future. They will become famous in future also. There is no doubt about it. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.